Hey everyone, this is Matt King with the King Piers team. We're out here on day 6 on our project in Lee Summit. As you can see here, we have our interior set up to straighten the wall back to vertical. We use 90-degree angle iron, 6x6 treated wood support posts, and hydraulic bottle jacks. And we just get enough of them lined up along the wall here and just use simple physics to straighten the wall back to vertical. The wall is now straight, and I want to take a look, show you guys these braces that were done by another foundation company. They were flush against the wall before we straightened this, so you can see the gap there about how much we were able to tilt this wall back to vertical. You can see we've already begun some of the prep work for our steel H-beam wall braces. We use bigger H-beams compared to these I-beams a lot of other companies use. It's just more structurally sound, the ones that we use. We have one more that we're going to be installing right here. We just got to reroute some of the piping here, which we'll get that done so we can get it up against the wall there. But it's the prep work that takes everything on a project like this, doing all the excavation on the outside, so we can relieve that pressure off of this wall and make it easy to tilt back to vertical. So the actual movement of pushing the wall back really only takes a few minutes. So very nice on there, and it's always nice when you have a good visual indicator here about how much it actually has tilted. So we're going to get these wall braces in here. We have 3 piers on the outside under the footing that we're going to be installing. We're going to try to get those done tomorrow. We're going to put one more from the inside right around here. So we're going to try to get that at least saw cut by the end of today, and then dug out tomorrow. If we can get all their piers in and get the concrete taken care of by tomorrow afternoon, then Friday we can get the backfill on the outside done. Get all the crack repair done. So we're gonna wait and see if any of these close up once we get the piers lifted, because we always wait to do the crack repair last, because you never know if those will close up once we get the footing back to its correct level elevation. So if we can get all the pier work done by end of the day tomorrow, then we should be able to get very close to finishing up this project on Friday, and then just move on across the street and finish up the next one. So stay tuned for more updates. You can go to our website, www.kingpiers.com. You can find all of our pictures, videos from current and past jobs on our YouTube and Facebook channels. Please give us a like and subscribe if you have not already. And of course, you can always just give us a call, 816-288-4373.